Welcome to Kids Planet Safari!
Ah! Ha! Yeah! Welcome, bugs from far and near. The insect games are finally here. Ants are marching, bees all hum. The snail parade is slowly come. Fly up high, wave your wings. Let's see what funny race day brings. Buzz and cheer, crawl and clap. The insect games are now on tap. Yeah! Oh, 100-millimeter dash. On your marks, get set, now go!
See those speedy ants below?
Beetles rolling, snails still slow. Worm pops up, oh what a show. The crowd goes wild, the beetle trips. He tumbles fast and flips and flips. Ants shout loud with tiny feet. That beetle roll was hard to beat. The long jump, leaf to leaf, grasshopper jumps, boing, boing, boing. His legs can stretch, they almost sing. Ladybug flaps, up she tries to glide. Oops, she lands in mud with pride. She shakes her wings and laughs so sweet. This puddle's nice and cool for feet. Butterflies cheer.
That was fun! She giggles loud.
I still won one.
The web gymnastics, Speedy swings from twig to twig, doing flips both small and big. He twirls and twists and shouts,
Then tangles up.
oh ha ha ha. Buzzy Bee says, look at that. A webby twists a spider hat. Spidey grins, don't feel too bad. Being sticky isn't bad.
Yeah.
And scene 5, the flying relay. Dragonflies zoom across the sky, passing pollen as they fly. One sneeze is loud.
Achoo!
Oh dear! The baton lands on Bee so near. Bee grabs tight and speeds away. Buzzes through to save the day. Everyone cheer. Hooray, hooray! That's how bugs like to play. Oh, yeah! Your caterpillars stretch and bend, twist and wiggle, now pretend. One does splits and can't get back, another naps up on the track.
He says that's the sport for me. I'll call it Sleepy Yoga Bee.
All the bugs hum soft and low, they stretch and giggle.
Nice and slow.
Joshin! 7 beetle weightlifting, beetle lifts a pebble stone. Strongest bug you've ever known. Ant says try a crumb of bread. Beetle grunts,
Too heavy, he said.
the crowd all laughs. The pebble drops, it rolls downhill and never stops. Oops, says Beetle, that went far. Next time I'll lift a cookie jar. Now the metals shine so bright, all the bugs dance with delight. Snail Sam crawls across the line.
He started yesterday at 9.
Buzzy laughs, you did your best. Slow and steady beats the rest. The crowd all sings and waves their wings.
Crawl, jump, fly. You're champions of spring.
Crawl, jump, fly, reach the sky. Little insects, don't be shy. Buzz and laugh and spin around. In Buglympics, joy is found. Crawl, jump, fly, hooray, hooray. We bugs will race the funny way. From leaves to clouds, from mud to sun. The insect games are number 1.
Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.